My name is Mikko Lavanti. I am currently the Chief Customer Officer of Coriant. And Coriant is a new company, so we basically started our operations in May this year. But we are not a new company in that sense, so they have a very long heritage of about 30 years of German engineering. We used to be the Siemens optical business and then of course part of Nokia Siemens Networks, and just recently been acquired by a California investor called Malin Equity Partners. And what we're doing is of course we have taken the opportunity, what we call about the hyper growth in all of the networks, mostly of course in the terrestrial networks, but here we are in the subsea, also in the subsea networks. We understand that in order to meet the requirements of the hyper growth, you need to have better cost per bit performance, and that you can achieve with very good optical products, mostly 100G, where we have very good solutions. And we understand also that in the future you need to be able to reduce your OPEX by having better software, how you can operate the network. So those are the things where we come from with a very long heritage, a good customer base. We operate in more than 100 countries, even though we are a new company. So not really a startup in that sense, but a newcomer with the new name Coriant. We of course are very excited to be here, right? So if you look at specifically this part of the world, Asia, the traffic is growing tremendously. And the area is surrounded by water, so it means that you need to have a lot of basically subsea and undersea cable as well. With our interest, what we are here for is that we think that our optical competence, so what I was explaining earlier, the German heritage in the optical engineering, bringing the 100G live networks, combined with the software that we are building there to manage the network, will help a couple of things. So basically it means that our customers can get better cost per bit, not only in the terrestrial networks but also on the subsea networks. And we think about that way, that you will have a sort of seamless network in the end, where you are looking at managing your whole network end to end, including the subsea part. So we have here examples like we are working together with Telkom Indonesia, and today I was planning to talk a little bit about Telkom Malaysia subsea network, but we have been able to upgrade, and are actually currently on the upgrade of a 15 years old network with the 100G technology. So it's an amazing thing that you can do there, right? Using the investment, which is huge, that you go into the subsea, and now you can basically then upgrade it to 100G. So that's one of the reasons we want to be here. So we think that it's a growing market. We think that both our optical competence and our software can help the customers to upgrade their networks for the future requirements. I think we at Coriant, what we think about there is that, like I said, so the hyper growth in this region will also need to go into the subsea business. And that means that the investment that the companies have done in laying the fiber, the old fiber, as well as the coming new fiber which is going to come here, you need to have a couple of things. So first thing is the optical competence. So you need to be able to upgrade also the subsea networks to 100G. And with the coherent technology that we provide, where we are world leading, having customers like AT&T, EXO, Telia Sonera, Roche Telecom, Telkom Malaysia here, SK Telecom, NBN in Australia, so many customers with Telkom Indonesia in this region. What we think there is that our optical competence will really benefit the customers here in upgrading the networks for the future. So I think that's the first element there. But as the cost per bit, the OPEX part, CAPEX part is not the only important part for our customers. Also the OPEX part, so how you manage the networks, will become more and more important. With the help of our work in North America with leading customer AT&T, we have brought in this year in Monaco in WDM Forum our IOC, our SDN solution to the market. And there we know that we are ahead of the competition. So our customers will get a clear advantage on how they can integrate now, and actually in the future we are bringing more functionality there, how you can basically do much more sort of automatic management of the network. So basically bandwidth allocation, restaurants. So if you think about earthquakes in this region as well, you're making much safer networks. And with our capabilities, you can also build mesh networks, which are combining the terrestrial and subsea networks. So that will be, of course, extremely important. So the customers will get much better cost per bit performance with the optical competence, and with the software they will be able to make less OPEX and much safer networks with our help. So that's what we believe in Coriant we bring for the customers. I think we're very happy to be here. So we have met today already all of the leading operators who are participating here, and I arrived a bit late myself here, but the team has met with many. I think I counted all of the key customers who have come here have come through our booth and have discussed about our solution. So I think it's been very successful for us to be meeting the people who matter in this part of the world in the subsea. So I think I'm very happy about that in that sense.